Did you know Etsy's marketplace is a trending platform, meaning products that do good this year might not do good next year. So it's important to stay ahead and understand when products are high in demand, trending, or dying. As a result, it will help you continue getting traction and not get stagnant or lose year-over-year income. In today's Etsy hack, I'm going to be sharing 2 resources that you could use to guide you to shopping trends based on industry forecasting and Etsy search data. Let's get started. The first tool is called Marketplace Insights. And Etsy releases this report every single year. This is why it's so important to be involved in the Etsy community to stay updated with these reports and any other changes Etsy makes. Now, these insights will help you optimize your shop for the upcoming season, whether you are trying to get ideas for new product, brainstorm content ideas for your social media, or include seasonal relevant top searches and much more. I will leave the link to this trend report in the comments below so you guys could check it out. I highly recommend just going in there and reading the entire report. As you can see, it even gives you what's trending and what's going to be trending for the following year. So budgeting and planning has increased 206% year over year. So if you have been thinking about creating a store where it's all about budgeting and saving money and having financial freedom, that is a really good niche to get into. Even Etsy's confirming it here. So you'll be able to come through here and really get ideas for new products, or maybe you want to pivot to a different niche. But I highly recommend taking a few minutes to go through this list and really understanding what is going to be what's currently trending and what's currently keeps growing. So therefore you could add products and be ahead of the competition. The second tool is eRank monthly trends. And this is an easy way to find the most popular search terms on Etsy for that particular month. So all you're going to do is when you log into eRank, you're going to go to trends and then you're going to click on monthly trends. If you don't have eRank at the moment, I will leave my referral link right below this video so you guys could try them out. So once you're logged in, all you're going to do is it's going to have different categories. On the left hand side, it tells you Etsy, like the top trending information for Etsy, but you can also change this for other sites, especially if you do sell on other platforms or use other platforms like Pinterest to promote your products. And you're able to see here what's trending on those platforms. It also gives you information for international, especially if you do deliver international, brick and mortar, and also home improvement to kind of give you ideas of what's going on. Over here, once you select whatever platform you want to review, it's going to give you the information for top keywords that are trending, products that are trending, which is really cool, especially if you're trying to pivot to something new. Recipients, like what are people buying for? Mostly women. I think this hardly ever changes. Styles, right, that people are looking for, which is really great to add for your tags as keywords. And then materials, what is popular at the moment. So I definitely recommend using this trend tool every single month, or at least when you're making changes. So there you have it, 2 tools that you could use right now that are very effective when it comes to finding products that are trending, high in demand, and to get traction to your store. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.